Alright guys, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depending on the time you are watching this video. Akande Sunday Kende aka Mr. Ask, as you know. In this video, I'm here to show you how you can copy your Canva designs from one team to another team, from one account to another account, from one team to another team. I don't want you to be panicked. That is why I've gone into my own research to know how you can copy your template, your Canva template, your Canva designs to another design in case you experience this kind of issues my account is facing right now. You can see that my account has been restricted and it has been downgraded to a lower level, which is a free account. They said this account was found to be violating our terms of use and has been downgraded to Canva free. Now that they have downgraded my account to a Canva free, it simply means that I will not be able to use Canva Pro any longer. But now this has created a panic in my heart that how will something of such will happen just like that. As in, I was panicked like after all my effort, after all my creativity, after all hard work. Is this how Canva will just disable my account and I will not be able to make use of my designs again? You can see, as you can see this design, I will not be able, even if I'm able to download this design, it will still show their logo. There is still a watermark of their logo, which is Canva watermark on this screen, on this design. So if I just download this design now, it will still show Canva on it, which simply means that it will tell everyone seeing this page that I'm using a Canva free account, and it does not even look decent as it is on this screen. This is what I'm trying to say. This Canva logo, my design that I've designed in the past some months ago, now that they have downgraded my account to a free account, so it is now showing a Canva logo, which simply means that if I try to download this page now, it will show a Canva watermark on it. Let me just try and download so you'll be able to understand what I'm trying to point out from here. Okay guys, please hold on while I try to download this design for an example. Please hold on. Now I want to download only the current page, which is page 1. So I'm trying to download now, and let's see what is going to happen. You can see what is written now. Even though I cannot be able to download this content, this design, I cannot be able to download this content. Said your designs contain premium content. Unlock our entire content library of over 100 million elements. Try it for free for content. That is if I want to download this design now, I will have to upgrade from a free account to a pro account. So can you now see? So now it simply means that I will not be able to download this design after I've done a great work. So I will not be able to download this design. Can you just see? Every designs here, they are Canva Pro designs. It is a pro design, which simply means that if I don't upgrade my account, I will not be able to download this design. So now, in case you have gotten another account, in case you are facing anything of this issue, in case you are facing any issue like this, that your account has been downgraded to a free account, and you have some design that you don't want to lose, I will advise you that if you can just buy my course, my resources that where I show you how you can get a new Canva Pro account for free, of which the account will be a personal Canva Pro account for only you. You will not be under anybody, and anybody will not be under you, except you want to invite them to be under you, except you want to invite them to join your team. It will only be you and you alone. And this course is a lifetime course. That is the Pro account that I've shown on my other videos is a lifetime Canva Pro account. So you can just go ahead and request for the course, so that you'll be able to create another Canva Pro account for free, where you will only be the only person under the team. You will only be the number one in that team. It will be, even you will only be the one that will create that team. It will only be a personal account for you, which is a pro account, and it's mean premium account, Canva premium account. It will only be only you, except you will invite somebody to come and join team with you. But without inviting anybody, it will only be only you in that account. So get my course today for a promotional offer. I repeat, get that course today for a promotional offer. Okay guys, let's come back to the topic of today. So now, in case you have gotten another account, in case you are experiencing something like this issue and you have gotten another Canva Pro account and you are panic on how you can just get your content, your files, your documents, your designs from your previous account to your new account, so I will tell you that you should panic at all. You should not panic at all. That you should panic no more. In this video, I'm rightly showing you how you can share your Canva designs to your new Canva account. So just follow me step by step, where I will be showing you how you can transfer your Canva files to another Canva account. So first thing you need to do is that just log in into your account, as I've rightly logged in into my account here. Then click on any of the things you want to copy to your new account. Just tap on these three dots. Just tap, then it will show you how you can share the content. So just click on copy to another team. Just click on copy to another team. Then once you click on copy to another team, then you can now select the team that you want to copy the designs to. In my own case, I want to copy that design to my new digital networks team, which is this one. So I will now click on it, then click copy. You can see copy that, we are on it. A copy of your content is on its way to digital networks team. You can see that it is loading now. As I say, success, there is now a copy of your content in digital networks team. So in case you still want to copy some other content, just like this one now, in case I still want to copy some other content like this one, so I will just click on it again the way I showed you earlier. So just tap or just click on these three dots, just click on it, then it will show you copy to another team. Then you click on copy to another team. Then click on copy to another team. Then select the team that you want to copy the files to. Then click on copy. Copy that, we are on it. So guys, you can see it says a copy of your content is on its way to digital networks team. That is how you can do it. If you have 1,000 files in your old Canva account and you don't know how you can copy them to your new account, just follow this guide step by step, so you'll be able to do that by yourself. And I hope you can now see by yourself now that you are able to copy your files. So just click on it, click on copy to another team, copy to digital network, then click on copy button. Then all the files that we have just copied now, I will now go back to my new team, which is digital network team, and I will go there and check if those files that I've copied truly, if they have now been transferred to my new team. So just follow this step by step. I hope you will not skip any of this to be able to get it right. Please just keep watch to the end. The success, there is now a copy of your content in digital network. So let me now switch back to my digital network. Switch back to my digital network. Alright guys, so now how can we find the content, the files that we have just copied to this new account? This is how you find it. In case you don't find it here, just click on this menu icon at the top left corner. Just click on it. Then you come to project, then click on project. So just click on project. Then from here you'll be able to see, just scroll down. There you will find the content, as the files that you have copied from your old account to your new account. So you can see now, the content that we have moved now. You can see. Can you see? These are the contents that we just copied. You can see copy of. You can see copy of, which simply means we have successfully copied those files to our new Canva account. So let us see whether the files will open and we'll be able to download them for free. Let's see. I hope you can remember that on the other account where they downgraded my account, I'm not able to download the file because they said my account is on free account. Why? Because they have downgraded my account from premium to free account. Now that is why I was not able to download those files there. So now that I've transferred the files from that old account to this new account, now you can see that I will now be able to download the files if I want to download the designs. Now let us try and see whether we'll be able to download the designs or not. Now let's watch and see. You can see that we have successfully downloaded the files. Now you can see that we have successfully downloaded the files. Now we have tried to open the files. Let's just go and open the files. Let's just go and open the files. And we'll be able to see the files that we have just downloaded right now. Now you can see, guys, that we have been able to download the files. Alright guys, that is how you can now be able to transfer your files from your old Canva account to your new Canva account. If you find this video helpful, please like, comment and share, and also don't forget to subscribe to the notification button. Thank you guys, I love you.